Students, today we'll do exercise 3.1 of class 7 NCERT book. So question number 7, the enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years was as follow. These numbers are given. Find the mean enrollment of the school for this year. So we have to find mean enrollment. Enrollment is equal to sum of enrollments by number of years. So sum of enrollment will be 15, 55 plus 16, 70 plus 70, 50 plus 2013 plus 2540 plus 2820 by number of year is 6. Now you add them and divide by 6. So if you will add this number, you will get 12,348 divided by 6. Now we will divide by 6. 6 2 are 12, 3 not divisible, so we will put 1 0, 34, 6 5 are 30 and 6 8 are 48. This is the mean enrollment of that school. Next question. Question number 8 is the rainfall in millimeter in a city of 7 days on 7 days of a certain week was recorded as follow. Table is given. On Monday it is 0.0, Tuesday 12.2, Wednesday 2.1, Thursday 0.0, Friday 20.5, Saturday 5.1 and Sunday 1. Then here we have to find the range. First part of the question is find the range of the rainfall in the above data. Range is equal to, we know that range is always equal to highest minus lowest. So highest rainfall, if you will see here, it is 20.5 and my lowest is 0.0, that is range will be 20.5. Second part of the question is find the mean rainfall of the week. Second part of the question is find the mean rainfall for the week. So to find the mean what we do? We'll add all the rainfall, that is 0.0 plus 12.2 plus 2.1 plus 0.0 plus 20.5 plus 5.1 plus 1.0 and divide by number of days, that is 7. Now add them. After 0.213, 3333, 3 plus 5 8, 9. So it will come 9 here. Ones place 5 2 2 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 plus 5 9 1 10 0 and remaining 1 1 1 2 2 2 2 2 2 4 divided by 7. Divide 7 5 ja 35 5 9. Okay. So here we have written one mistake. On Saturday the rainfall is 5.5. So here we will take 5.5. Now if you will add, this will change to, adding it will change 2 1 3 3 3 3 3 plus 10 13 13 3 and remaining 1 1 2 1 3 3 3 3 2 5 5 5 5 5 10 1 11 1 and remaining 1 1 1 2 2 2 4 4 divided by 7 7 5 ja 35 6 3 1 9. This is the mean rainfall. Now the third part of the question says, I am writing the question first. Third part of the question says, on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? Mean rainfall we have seen, it is 5.9 here. We have found calculated the mean rainfall 5.9. So on Monday it is 0, it is less. Tuesday it is more. Wednesday it is less. Thursday it is less. Friday it is more. Saturday also it is less, and Sunday it is also less. So how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So number of days will be 5 days. On 5 days the rainfall was less than the mean rainfall. Now next question. So question number 9 says the heights of 10 girls were measured in centimeter and the results are as follow. Results are given 135, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143 and 141. Now from here we have to find the height of the tallest girl. First part of the question, to find the height of the tallest girl. First what we do, arrange this data in ascending or descending order. So it is better to arrange in ascending order. So for finding that, you find the smallest. We will arrange here 35, 50, 39, 28, 28, 28. We don't have 28. So smallest is 128. After 128, 128, 28, 28, we have 35, 50, 39, 28 we have written. 51, 32, 32. This one is second. 132. After this 132, then we have 135. 135 we arrange them. 135. After 135, 135, 35, 35 we have 141. 141. After this we have 143. After 43 we have 146. 46. After this we have 149. After 149, 139 is left here. So we'll put 139 here. 139, 141. Okay, 139, 141. 149, 149. We have 150. 150. Then we have 151. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here we can easily find what is the height of the tallest girl. So 151, this one is the tallest girl, right? 151 centimeter. Second part of the question is what is the height of the shortest girl. So shortest girl we have seen it is 128 centimeter. Now to find the range, what is the range of the data? Range is equal to highest minus lowest. That is shortest. Here highest is 151 minus 128. Subtract 23. This is the range. Then fourth question is what is the mean height of the girls. So for that, first I will rub the board, then I will solve it. The fourth part of the question is what is the mean height of the girls. So mean height is equal to sum of heights of all girls by number of girls. So add these numbers and divide by 10 because we have total 10 girls. Now add it. 8 to 10, 10, 5, 15, 15, 15 plus 9, 24, 24, 25, 25 plus the 27, 27, 27, 33, 33 at 10, 43, 3, 4, 4, 2, 6, 6, 12, 15, 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 23, 27, 27, 31, 31, 41, 41, 1, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 13, 14, 13 divided by 10, you will get 141.3, 141.3 centimeter. This is the mean height. After this, you have to find how many girls have height more than the mean heights, means more than the mean heights. You add this 8 to 10, 10 plus 15, 15, 15 plus 10, 25, 25 plus 3, 28, 28 plus 28, 28, 29, 29 plus 9, 38, 38, 40, 44. This will be 4 here. So 4 here will be 4. Now 141.4, 141, this one is 141. So question more than the mean height. More than the mean height we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll write 5 girls have the height more than the mean height. So in this way this exercise is finished. So thanks for watching the video.